Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to automatically transfer balances from Trust Wallet to Tron. As of now, Trust Wallet does not support fully automated scheduled transfers. Transfers must be initiated manually for security reasons. However, here's what you can do. Download and install the Trust Wallet on your device, then make sure your wallet is backed up and secured with your recovery phrase. In the main Trust Wallet screen, tap the plus Add Tokens button. Search for Tron and enable it. Now your TRX wallet will appear on your home screen. Tap the Tron in Trust Wallet and select Receive. Copy your Tron wallet address, which starts with T. Now go to the token you want to send like TRX, USDT, etc. in Trust Wallet. Tap Send and pass your Tron wallet address. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer and pay the small TRX network fee. Just note that you need a small amount of TRX in your Trust Wallet to cover gas fees for TRC20 transfers. And there is no automatic recurring transfers feature in Trust Wallet. You'll need to repeat both steps manually each time you're trying to do a transfer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.